here we are going to solve the examples that are related to the exercise 1.3. So we are going to start with the example number 9. So this one we have given, prove that root 3 is rational. So we have to prove that this root 3 we are having is the irrational. So we are going to let opposite to what we have given. So we are going to let us assume the contrary, that root 3 is rational. So if we have assumed root 3 as the rational number, then root 3 we are having as equal to the a by b, and where a and b are co-prime. Co-prime are the numbers which are having only common factor as equal to the 1. Now we are going to transpose this b here. So this one will have root 3b is equal to the a we are having. Now we are going to square both sides. So I am going to write here squaring both sides. So this one we are having, we are going to square. So root 3 multiplied by root 3 will have 3, and b multiplied by b will have the b square. This one we are having as equal to the a square we are having. Now here this 3 is the factor we are having of the a square. So a square is divisible by 3. Then a is also divisible by 3 as per theorem 1.3 we have learned. So this one we are having here. Now we are having the 3b square as equal to the a square. So now we are going to let a as equal to the 3c, where c is any integer we are having. Now we are going to put the value of the a in this one. So this one we are having is the 3b square as equal to the value of a we are having is the 3c, and this one we are having is the square. Now I am going to solve this one. So this one we are having is the 3b square is equal to the 3 3s are 9 and c square. This one we are having. Now we are going to transpose this 3 from left hand side to the right hand side. So it will divide here. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So this one we are having b square as equal to the 3c square. So we write here b square is equal to the 3c square we are having. Now b square is also having here the factor as the 3. That means b square is divisible by 3. Then b is also divisible by 3 by theorem 1.3 we have learned. So this one we are having here. Now if this a square is also divisible by 3, then a is also divisible by 3. Now b square is divisible by 3, then b is also divisible by 3. So a and b are having common factor as 3. And what we have learned, we have that if this one is a rational number, then a and b are the co-prime numbers we are having, and this one only can have the common factor as 1, but we are having the common factor as equal to the 3. So I'm going to write here, hence root 3 is irrational number as a and b are co-prime but having 3 as common factor. So this one we are having here. So this one we are having the example number 9. Now comes to the next one. Now comes to the next example. Example number 10. Show that 5 minus root 3 is the irrational we are having. So we are going to assume opposite what we have given. So we are going to write here, let us assume contrary that 5 minus root 3 is rational. Now this one we are having as equal to the rational number, that means 5 minus root 3 we are having as equal to the a by b, and a and b are co-prime, that means they are having only factor, the common factor as equal to the 1. Now we are going to transpose this AB here. So this one will be the 5 minus AB and this root 3 from left hand side to the right hand side, and AB from right hand side to the left hand side. Now this one we are having 5 minus AB as equal to the root 3. Now we are going to solve this one. So this one will be the 5B minus A by B. This one we are having as equal to the root 3. Now root 3 is, this root 3 we are having is the rational. If this root 3 we are having is the rational, and A and B are we are having, A and B are the integers. So 5B minus A by B, this one we are having is also a rational number. Is a rational number. Now this one is a rational number, that means A and B are the co-prime numbers, but this contradicts that fact that root 3 is irrational, so our assumption is incorrect. So we're going to write here, this contradicts that facts root 3 is irrational, so our assumption is incorrect. Hence 5 minus root 3 is irrational we are having. So this one we are having is the example number 10. Now comes to the next one. So next one we are having is the example number 11, in that show that root 3 is the irrational we are having. So we are going to let us assume the contrary, that 3 root 2 is rational. We will assume opposite to what we have given. Now this one we are having is the rational number, then 3 root 2 will have as equal to the A by B, where A and B are co-prime number we are having, that means they are having the common factor as equal to the 1 only. Now we are going to transpose this 3 from left hand side to the right hand side. So we will have root 2 as equal to the A by 3B. This one we are having. So since 3A and B, this 3A and B, this one are integers. 3 of them are having the factor of the root 3, so they are the integers. So A by 3B is rational number we have, and if this one is the rational number, then so root 2 is also rational. Now but it contradicts the fact that root 3 is rational. That means this one is the irrational we are having, so that but it is contradict the fact that root 3 is the irrational. We have to write here irrational. I'm going to write this one here again. Irrational. This one we are having the root 2. So, but it contradicts the fact that root 2 is the irrational we are having. So, we conclude that 3 root 2 is irrational we are having. So this one is the example number 11 we are having. This is the last example that is related to the exercise 1.3. In the next video we are going to start with questions of the exercise 1.3.